Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. Finally, the market, huge gap up, and throughout the day, the gap up was sustained. So this kind of shock treatment is required to control the bears. Otherwise, US markets recovered more than 100% of the fall. We did not even recover 50% of the fall, and these short sellers keep on shorting the market, so they were just trying to control. And Nifty future had the record high short position by FIIs, and even when the global sentiment turned and global markets fully recovered, we recovered about 50%, and still these people were not squaring up the shorts. So why? Because if there is no gap up, they think that we can square up tomorrow, and so on. So this kind of shock treatment is actually required for bears. Otherwise you cannot control them. So I used to say for fun, unless there is some momentum, the market will keep on falling. So that is the nature of our market. So as expected, FIIs were net buyers. So they bought for 500 crores, and this buying comes in after relentless selling for 15 trading sessions. So imagine if they continue to buy. But what was more surprising, as and when FIIs change their mind and become buyers, DIIs will change their mind and will become sellers. And I expected DIIs to book some profits because they've been supporting the market for the last few weeks from the lower levels, but instead of booking the profits, so they also started buying. So both FIIs and DIIs bought for about 500-600 crores. So the total institutional buying was about 1000 plus crore. So the bears were waiting. So there was no intraday dip. So at some point of time in the afternoon, they started covering the shorts. So that's why the market went further, another 50-60 points. And then some slight profit booking, dragged the market down by 25-30 points from the high. I think the Nifty closed about 40 points lower from the intraday high. And as I told you, every dip is a buying opportunity. The problem is that today market has never given any dip for the people to buy. I told you last Sunday the market technically has become long, and I also told you as and when Nifty crosses 19,520, 530, so Nifty becomes long. And in fact on Sunday it became long. I was little bit skeptical because it's a Muhurat trading. The next day came down, and today huge gap up. And many times technical analysis is one thing, but if the technical analysis say you go long here, but then there is a gap up of 200 points, how to go long? So this is the practical problem because our market is not trading 22 hours like US markets. Now, number one, when the US markets recovered more than 100%, we recovered only 50%. Now that Fibonacci retracement, 50% retracement has been taken out decisively. I think the next target should be logically around 20,000, or I will not be surprised even if it goes to 20,200. When other markets recovered completely from the September fall, why not we? And we did not recover mainly because of the index heavyweight, TCS, Infosys, Reliance, HDFC Bank and Kotak Bank. So these 5 stocks, huge underperformance, of course, along with the ICICI Bank. So otherwise by this time market would have been more than 20,200. Today, first time after a long time, the large cap index heavyweights outperformed the mid cap and small cap. So I think now the tide has turned in favor of the bulls. On Sunday when I said, market has become technically long, some of my trolls, they are saying, no, Mr. Sundar has become long. I think now it is a time to go short, buy puts, all those buy puts, what would have happened today. Right. So looking at the open interest, so 19,600 put option has the highest open interest today, and 19,800 call option has the highest open interest. I'm talking about tomorrow expiry. So Nifty is likely to settle down between 19,600 and 19,800 tomorrow. We can expect 20,000 or 20,200 by the end of November if everything goes well. So tomorrow is the expiry. After tomorrow's expiry, we still have 2 more weeks and 2 weeks, 1 public holiday. So after tomorrow, we just have only about 9 trading sessions. So, option sellers are hoping for time decay, but the gamma effect is helping the option buyers in the call side. And those who bought put side, it's terribly, they've gone wrong. So Europe markets are higher, US futures are higher, but I think, today at best it may be a consolidation, or there may be even some profit booking if market goes higher. All right. So our market, maybe steam is left, but global markets will have to consolidate, because they have been moving, and I think Dow Jones has shot up nearly 1,000 points in 2 trading sessions. So let us see where we are going to open tomorrow, but it is time to be bullish. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.